In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product options in Wix, making your online store more dynamic and customized for your customers. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by heading over to Wix.com. Log in with your credentials, and in no time, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard. This is your main hub where all the magic happens, allowing you to manage your entire store seamlessly. Next, we'll want to focus on our product offerings. Locate and click on the Catalog section on your dashboard. Within this catalog, you have access to all your existing products. Now, let's move on and click on Products, which you can easily find right within the Catalog section. This will open up a list of all the products you currently have in your store. Once your products are visible, you can scroll through and select the particular product for which you want to create options. Imagine you have a t-shirt and you want to offer it in different sizes or colors. This step is essential in making those customizations happen. Now, navigate to the right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu next to your chosen product. This will open up additional options for you to interact with. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Product. This takes you to a more detailed view where you can add and edit different attributes for your product. Once you're in the product editing mode, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Product Options. This is where the real customization begins. You'll see an Add Another Option button. Click that, and you will be able to specify new options for your product, such as color, size, or any custom option that fits the uniqueness of your item. After clicking Add Another Option, again to create as many variations as you need, you'll then have the chance to fill in the details. Input the specific information for each new product option to ensure your customers know exactly what they are choosing. This part is crucial for setting up the variations accurately, so take the time to get those details right. Finally, double-check your entries for accuracy, and then navigate over to the Save button. Give it a click to ensure all your hard work and customizations are secured. Voila! You've just successfully added product options to your Wix store. And that's how simple it is to enhance your online store's offerings on Wix. With these product options, you're now ready to cater to a broader range of customer preferences, ensuring a much more personalized shopping experience. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your online store. Until next time, happy selling.